You ever check your bank account and think, wait, I make decent money, so why am I still stressed about bills? Like, you're not reckless. You don't buy Lamborghinis. You're not blowing $10,000 on vacations. But somehow the money just disappears. Look, if you've ever thought, I should be further ahead by now, yeah, this video is for you. Because in 2026, most people aren't broke because of big mistakes. They're broke because of silent money habits. My name is Beast, and I spend way too much time thinking about how everyday financial habits quietly control your entire future. If you're someone who works hard but still feels like you're not getting ahead financially, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Habit number 1. Living without a cash shock buffer. Here's the thing. Almost 1 in 4 Americans have zero emergency savings, and the median emergency savings is only about $500 to $600. Look, that's not even one car repair. Here's what most people don't realize. If you don't have a buffer, every emergency becomes debt. Debt becomes lifestyle. Habit number 2, carrying normal credit card debt. Now you might be thinking, everyone has credit card debt, it's normal. Yeah, that's the problem. The average American credit card balance is about $6,500. At approximately 20% interest, that can cost $1,300 plus per year just in interest. That's a vacation, or investing money, or freedom money. Habit number 3, subscription blindness. Look, if you have Netflix $20, Spotify $12, gaming $15, random apps $30, that's $77 per month. That's $924 per year. Invest that for 20 years could be approximately $40,000 plus. Market average assumptions. This is where it gets really interesting. Your brain treats subscriptions like background noise. You stop feeling the pain. Habit number 4, lifestyle inflation. After every raise, you get a raise, then you upgrade your life. New apartment, better car, more eating out. Instead of building assets, you build expenses. Psychology reason: your brain resets normal within 90 days. Habit number 5, thinking saving equals losing fun. Look, money is emotional. Your brain sees saving as pain today, reward later, but spending is reward today, pain later. That's why impulse buying exists. Habit number 6, no written money system. Here's a crazy stat. Many Americans don't follow structured money plans, meaning decisions are emotional, not strategic. Multiple finance behavior studies show this pattern. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't rise to your income level, you fall to your system level. Habit number 7, ignoring small money leaks. Look, if you waste just $10 per day, that's $3,650 per year. 10 years, $36,500. Invested, potentially $70,000 plus. This is where it gets really interesting. We ignore small leaks, but wealth is built in small layers. Step 1, build $1,000 emergency buffer. First step 2, kill high-interest debt aggressively. Step 3, track subscriptions quarterly. Step 4, save at least 50% of every raise. Step 5, automate investing. Look, most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They fail because they follow default money habits. And defaults are designed to make you spend. But if you fix even 3 of these 7 habits, your financial future changes completely. If this made you rethink your money habits, subscribe. Because the goal isn't just to make money, it's to build a life where money stops controlling you.